दंफैयो सनितपुर जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय ढेकियाजुलि 5 नं वार्डआवहा आकांक्षा बसुमतारिया दिनै नालन्दा बिश्वबिद्यालयनिफ्राय गल्ड मेडेल मोननानै एमए थाखोखौ पास खालामनो हादों। बिथाङा दिनै बोरै फरायनानै इसिबां गोजौ थाखोआव नाम्बार मोननानै दिनै गल्ड मेडेल मोननो हादों आं बेखौ मिन्थिनो थाखाय बिथांनिफ्राय नाजागोन। खुलुमबाय।
खुलुमबाय।
नोंथाङा जे दिनै नालन्दा बिश्वबिद्यालयआव फरायनानै गोजौ थाखोनि एबा गोजौ मासियाव गल्ड मेडेल मोननानै उथ्रिसारनो हादों मा बुङो?
I feel very privileged to get this opportunity to study at Nalanda University. I think this happened because my parents supported me and I could able to afford to live this far away from home. I feel very grateful that I got the gold medal in historical studies. Thank you.
प्रिपेरेसनखौ बोरै खालामामोन नोङो फरायनायनि प्रिपेरेसन?
So my basically the strategy was to focus on the classes and be like always attentive to the lectures. My attendance was 100% like the entire semester. I never missed any classes and I like wrote my handwritten notes so that I can revise it during the exams. Then my answers were basically whatever the teacher taught in the lessons. I applied it in all the answers. And then also the model of Nalanda University is dissertation based and seminar based. So I tried to give my best in the seminars and the exams so that I could get the good marks I got.
नालन्दा बिश्वबिद्यालयआव माबायदि सेफटियै फरायनो हादोंमोन?
Uh, at first, I was like skeptical about the safety of Nalanda University because it is located at Bihar, basically, which people fear. So then I researched a lot about it because it is located at Bihar. But when I researched about it in Google, YouTube, and social media, I got to know that it's comparatively safe because people from outside India can come here. Then why can't I go? Then when I went there, I saw guards everywhere, like from hostel gate to the university gate, and they are very helpful. And the guards, they are also very helpful. They will guide you, and then they will always support you. And the teachers, they are always very supportive. Whenever you have any doubt, they will help you and they will support you. And there are also like CCTV cameras everywhere, which is very helpful for our safety, basically a woman's security.
इन्डियाननि स्टुडेन्ट आरो गुबुन हादोरनि स्टुडेन्ट बेसेबां माबायदि डिफारेन्स दंमोन बे नालन्दा बिश्वबिद्यालयआव?
At first, the population of Nalanda was basically like foreign students more. Then, like from my batch, I see like more Indian students and less foreign students. But from next batch, there is more foreign students. It seems like the students from India are getting motivated to study there. And in my class, basically, we had 50% from outside, like they were from Sri Lanka, Africa, Laos, Cambodia. So the population of Nalanda University is very diverse, which made me experience like different cultures, different food, and different festivals.
नोंखौ फरायनो थाखाय सोर मदद होआमोन? फादार
Father?
हेल्प खालामनाया फरायनो?
So my father, at first, he was not accepting that I will go at Nalanda University because he was afraid that it's Bihar. So what will happen of me? Then when he went there in the campus, he was like satisfied with the infrastructure, with the security, and with the curriculum. So it just went with the process, and they were happy with the process that it's comparatively safe and good for education.
मा जब खालामो फादारा?
So my father works in BRO, Border Roads Organization, and he's currently posted at Bhutan, Thimphu.